Hey, this is Rick. Working on the '08 Hyundai Sonata. Turn signal. The driver's side was fine, blinking fine. The passenger side was fast. The bulbs are fine. So this is what I found out to fix it. All right, so let's see. So here it is right here. Okay, so there's no connection to it. You just turn it and it comes right out. So the connectors are right here. There's three of them, 3 points here. See that? Okay, so now the fix was what I did with these here. Okay, I think it was the other side. Okay, so one of these was pushed in, so it wasn't making connection with the part in the headlight. Okay, so what I did is I just went in there and I pried them. I just bent them back just a little bit, and I just did them all. Just bent them back a little bit. Okay, so, and I'll show you the bulbs I got. Let's see, so it's a single one for the rear. These are the ones I got at Walmart. Okay, that's the bulb for the rear, and then there's a double for the front. See, there's a double in there, and that's the number for the front bulb. So I went ahead and replaced them anyway. But anyway, so yeah, this is easy. This comes out easily. You don't have to take the headlight out. Okay, so thing is, let's see. All right, so I got a flashlight. So it is right back there. Okay. Find that. Okay, so let's see, so basically it's just right back in here. Yeah. Okay, so maybe kind of see there. But yeah, that's where the hole is. So when you go in there, so when you get in there, you just have to push it in. Okay, and then pull up on the tab there. Let's see if I get the light in there. Wow, okay. Yeah, you see it right there though? Yeah, that's all you gotta do. Okay, so that's it there, and then what you'll do is to get it out, you just push the little lever down. Okay, push it down and slide it out, and then just the opposite. Okay, and then the other side too is right there. See it right there? Yeah. This one's a little more tricky to get out. You could probably, get your hand in there. You got it's the cable for the hood is right there. But if you can get in there and turn it and get that out. Okay, and then once you do that though, if you end up dropping it, what you can do is it will fall under by the bumper here. Yeah, so it's down here. See, I got the cover off, but if it does drop, you have to put your hand there and just grab it. But the thing, if this one's fine, of course, but what I would do is if you can get it out, and then when you, matter of fact, let's see. But what you would do though is, or if I need to take it out again, I'm gonna just take it out, and then I'm gonna put some tape around it. You know, long enough tape to stick out, so if I do drop it, I can just get it easily. But this one, you know, you can probably get it without taking the light out. So anyway, so I'll show you how the signal's doing. Turn signal. Yep. Whoops, wrong one. Alright. So they're both going good. I'll show you. And then this side had a white colored bulb, so I changed it for a yellow one. I don't know why that. It was working, but it was just white. So there we go. Okay. Yeah. This one is good to go too. And of course the other side's fine. So yeah, so again, with the new bulbs, it didn't do it until I those connectors, when I moved those back a little bit and made connection inside there. And again, there's no wire, you just undo it, just pull it out with the bulb, and yeah, so that's about it. Made a good connection, and then it's back to normal. So yeah, it's kind of a wild deal. But so this is, like I said, a 2008 Hyundai Sonata. I don't know as far as other makes, type of cars that have that same type of connection. Of course the Hyundais, other Hyundais will, but so yeah, I hope this helps you out. All right, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, subscribing. All right, bye now.